Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about some bits that come from the concept of algorithms. So please go through these bits and try to give me the answer. So based on that, I will give you the explanation. So what is the recurrence relation for the worst case of quicksort, and what is the time complexity in worst case? So there are four options given. So quicksort recurrence relation ఏంటి దాని టైం కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఏంటి in worst case. So when will be the worst case occurs in quicksort? So worst case అనేది quicksort కి ఎప్పుడు occur అవుతుందంటే whenever the pivot element placed in the correct position and it makes the list into two lists such that one list is having one element and the other list is having the remaining n minus one element, then in that case we are going to have the worst case of the quicksort. So what is the recurrence relation for that worst case means T of n equal to T of n minus 1 plus order of n. So we are finding the correct position for the pivot element. So it requires order of n times and it makes the list such that one element is in one list and the remaining n minus 1 element in the list. So it is going to be T of n minus 1 plus order of n. So when you solve this recurrence relation, then you are going to have the time complexity of order of n square. So the worst case recurrence relation for quicksort is T of n equal to T of n minus 1 plus order of n and its time complexity is order of n square. So the option is B. And what is the average or best case time complexity of the quicksort? It is order of n log n. What is the recurrence relation for the best or average case of the quicksort? It divides the list into two lists by finding the pivot correct position. So that is 2 into T of n by 2 plus order of n. So when you solve that recurrence relation, you are going to have the time complexity of order of n log n. But in the worst case, the recurrence relation is T of n minus 1 plus order of n and its time complexity is order of n square. Now what is the second one? So suppose we have an order of n time algorithm that finds the median of an unsorted array. So it finds the median of an unsorted array. Now consider the quicksort implementation, where we find first median using the above algorithm, then use median as pivot element. Now what will be the worst case time complexity of this modified quicksort? Try to answer that. Pivot element ni kanukodaniki we are finding the median of an unsorted array and that median can be found using order of n, and after finding the pivot element you are going to apply the quicksort to make the elements in the sorting order. So what will be the worst case time complexity of this modified quicksort? So the time complexity is going to be order of n log n only. So the option is D. Why? Because if we use median as the pivot element, the recurrence relation for that is going to be T of n equal to 2 into T of n by 2 plus order of n. Median అంటే ఏంటి, మనం మిడ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ని కనుక్కుంటున్నాం. సో అక్కడ రికరెన్స్ రిలేషన్ లో మనకి ఏం చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. సో 2 into T of n by 2 plus order of n. So in order to find the pivot element correct position, you need to go for all the n elements so that you have the time complexity to find that median is order of n, and you are going to make it the list into two parts. So it is going to be 2 into t of n by 2 plus order of n. So when you solve that equation using master method or substitution method, the recurrence relation is going to be order of n log n only. So for example, if you are given an unsorted array and the array has the property that every element in the array is at most k distance from its position in the sorted array, where k is a positive integer smaller than size of the array. Then which sorting algorithm can be easily modified for sorting this array, and what is the obtainable time complexity? So for an unsorted array, to make that array into the sorting order, among the given sorting algorithms, which sorting algorithm can be easily modified for sorting? So they have given condition that every element in the array is at most k distance from its position in the sorted array. So what might be the answer according to you? So if you go for quicksort, its time complexity in the worst case is going to be order of n square, and for insertion sort it is going to be order of n square, and merge sort it is going to be order of n log n. So among all, which is going to take, or the algorithm can be easily modified for sorting the array is heap sort. Why? Because by using heap sort, we can sort the array firstly by creating a minimum heap, and then for finding the first element, and then we are going to separate the list because elements are not, let me say, k, at most k distance apart from the original position. So smallest element పట్టుకొని మనం remaining k plus 1 elements and remove the smallest element from the minimum heap, and then again we are going to rearrange the elements in the resultant array, and again we are going to insert another smallest element. So we can easily do that by using the heap sort. So heap sort లో మనం minimum heap construct చేసి first minimum heap లో నుంచి మళ్ళీ element remove చేసి next elements ని rearrange చేసుకొని next minimum element find చేయడం, that can be easy. So we can arrange the elements using quicksort. So heap sort. So the answer is B. Now what is the time complexity for the below function? Please go through that. What might be the answer for fourth question? What is the time complexity of that particular function? The two loops are given, and in the outer loop I equal to I by 2, and in the inner loop we have taken j value, and it is going to be checked with j less than I, and then it is going to get incremented. So what might be the time complexity for this particular function? Time complexity మీరు calculate చేయాలి అంటే what are the executable statements in that given code, and how many times that each executable statement will get executed. Based on that you can approximately estimate what might be the time complexity of that particular code.